Okay, for book clubs, you guys are going to meet with your normal book club members. Now, I know some people might not be there because some people are absent. Meet with the people that you can. If you're at home, just really making sure that you have everything done. If you guys look at today is the 18th, we are now more than halfway done with our book club. If any of these days are not completed, you need to go back and get those completed, guys. Okay? They all need to get done. We're here. So everyone should have check marks all the way up to this place. Okay? Make sure that when you are meeting together that you can talk about your vocabulary words from the story that you decided to study a little bit deeper. Ask for clarification if anybody doesn't understand or you still doesn't make sense, or you couldn't find your word. Ask your group members for help. Discuss the contrast and contradiction signposts and how you think that's going to affect the story. And then making sure this down here, making sure everyone knows what to do for their next meeting. Just review your calendar, make sure that you understand what's expected for I guess this would be Friday when you guys are meeting. And just to double check, guys, if you've not done the quick write that was part of the morning work today on Canvas, then you need to go back and do that too. Okay, so spend this time discussing what you just read, but also if you haven't gotten some of these days finished, please take the time to go back and work on those. Okay? If you do get done and you want to move on and start reading chapter 5, or I'm sorry, is it chapter 6 now? I can't remember. You can go ahead and start with the next chapter. All right. Hope you guys had a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.